Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Journey to God YouTube channel. I wish you a blessed day, and welcome to another daily devotional. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today is September 19th, and today's devotional topic is Manasseh. 2 Kings chapter 21 verse 16 says, "Moreover, Manasseh shed very much innocent blood, till he had filled Jerusalem from one end to another." The story of Manasseh is incredible. He was the son of King Hezekiah and chose to do what is evil before God. Because of him, the people of Judah returned to worshiping false gods, and the inhabitants of Jerusalem were taken captive. He himself was taken prisoner. Now, being in the worst situation of his life, he prays and God forgives him. In our view of life, injustice, and religion, there are people who don't deserve divine forgiveness. Without a doubt, Manasseh would be in that list for many of us. They are a lost cause. He not only chose to do wrong, but he also attempted to destroy the spiritual work his father had done. We've already mentioned several times this year, the sins of your parents are not a reason for you to sin, just as the faith of your parents will not save you. During Manasseh's extensive reign, 55 years, his decisions regarding the spiritual and religious realm carried consequences to all other aspects of the people's lives. Tyranny, superstition, aversion to that which is good, and violence are inseparable companions of spiritual darkness. Just as Jesus said, if we seek his kingdom first, all other good things will be added to our lives. The opposite is also true. If we seek evil, bad things will be added to our lives. The time came when Manasseh hit rock bottom. It's interesting to note that the bottom of his pit was not spiritual, but rather political. He does not repent because of a message from God's prophet. He does not change his evil ways because he understands that worship of Baal and Asherah was an error with eternal consequences. Manasseh loses his kingdom, and, as a prisoner in Babylon, he prays to the God of his ancestors. The incredible and marvelous thing is that heaven restores him in every way. Our God does not do things halfway. When he begins a task, he carries it through the end. When he accepts wicked King Manasseh's request for forgiveness, he not only saves him, but he also gives him back the throne. God does not settle with fixing one aspect of your life. He wants to reform you completely. Thank you for tuning into another daily devotional video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you have any questions or feedback, post them in the comment section where I'll be reading all of them. Thank you and have a blessed day.